Hello, bit of a strange one here. I should point out that I don't believe in ghost orbs and that sort of thing. I tend to think they're out of focus bits of fluff floating in convection currents. But yesterday, as I was filming an insert for the new Meejah video, I noticed something moving horizontally across the monitor. I looked in the live space, there was nothing there. I looked back at the monitor, there was definitely something there. I've just checked the playback and it's on the video. Now I've no idea what it is. It's not fluff in convection currents because it's moving horizontally. It's not an insect because I've checked it frame by frame, there's no fluttering. So I've no idea what it is. What are your thoughts? Have a look.